will merry, merry be and eat some HAMANTASCHEN. Welcome back to Joel's Bowl. Today, we'll be making HAMANTASCHEN. As always, this recipe is posted down in the description, as well as being pinned in the comments. So we're gonna start off by preparing our dough. Now because this is vegan dough, I'm gonna be using applesauce as a binder. We're just gonna go ahead and chop up one apple and put that on a low simmer, stirring occasionally for about 15 to 20 minutes until the apple becomes nice and soft. And then we're just gonna go ahead and mash that and set it aside. Then we're gonna take 4 cups of all-purpose flour. We're gonna take a teaspoon of baking powder, whisk that together with about half a teaspoon of salt, and then we're gonna mix in half a cup of white sugar and half a cup of brown sugar. Whisk that all together, and then we're gonna take a half cup of vegan butter. We're gonna throw that all into the food processor with the applesauce, and we're gonna start mixing it, adding a little bit of water just to get it to a doughy consistency. So when that's ready, we're just gonna roll it up into a ball and cover it with saran wrap and put that in the fridge for at least an hour. And while that's chilling, we're gonna get to work on our filling. We're gonna get a cup of prunes, and we're gonna chop that up, and a cup of apricots, and chop those up as well. And we're just gonna put that in a large saucepan with a cup of chopped dates, and a third of a cup chopped walnuts, and a quarter of a cup chopped pecans. And we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of poppy seeds to that, and about a teaspoon of lemon zest, and a teaspoon of lemon juice. Further, we're gonna add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of nutmeg, and half a teaspoon of vanilla. We're also gonna throw in some caraway seeds, just for good measure, and finish it off with half a teaspoon of salt, a quarter cup of brown sugar, and a tablespoon of olive oil. And then we're gonna allow that to simmer for about 20 to 30 minutes until it gets nice and pasty. Then once that's done, we can set it aside and take our dough out from the fridge and roll it out on a smooth surface and cut out 3-inch circles. Then we're gonna spoon some filling onto each of those. And with 2 fingers, we're gonna create a crease to pinch one side and then just fold over the other side to form a neat triangular looking hat. Obviously, these represent Haman's hat. And then we're just gonna preheat our oven to 350 degrees and bake those for about 12 to 15 minutes until they start to get golden brown. And then you just wanna remove them from the oven and allow them to cool just a bit before you serve. Obviously, Haman, being dead, can't eat his hat in defeat, so we eat it in feasting and gladness instead of him. And there you have it, HAMANTASCHEN. If you like this video, do your part to help the algorithm recommend it and drop me a thumbs up. Also, share it around if you know anyone that might also appreciate this sort of content. And be sure to subscribe for more amazing plant-based vegan goodness. Check me out on Instagram at Joel's Bowl and tag me if you decide to make any of my awesome recipes with hashtag Joel's Bowl. Remember, in this day and age, it's not difficult to make any dish vegan. Go vegan today, for yourself, for the animals, and for the entire earth. I hope you enjoyed this recipe, and I will see you in the next video. Ciao.